Welcome. In this video I will show you how to install and set up your Logitech G512 X keyboard in G Hub application. So first of all, grab your original cable and insert the USB-C side into the USB-C port in your keyboard. You'll be able to find it on the top edge of your keyboard in the left corner right here. Insert your USB-C side in here, and of course the USB-A goes into your computer. Once you have successfully connected your keyboard, we're gonna have to download and install the G Hub application. To do that, let's open a web browser on our computer and let's search for Logitech G Hub in our search engine. Then let's open their official website and download it for Windows. We also have the macOS version, so you can download it if you're using Mac. Then open the file in your downloads and install this program. Then wait until it's opened. Now, in your case, you will most probably have to go through the first setup steps until you see this dashboard. Now let's wait until our device gets set up. We're gonna have to download an update for our keyboard. To do that, select your keyboard right here, click next, 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 or skip. Oh gosh, there's too much. And now let's go to settings by clicking right here. Then let's go to general and click update. Install. And wait until the update for your keyboard is downloaded and installed. Okay, and once the firmware update is successful, in order to finish the setup, close the program and restart your computer to apply firmware changes. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.